To create a Google form that doesn't require a sign-in, start by logging into your Google account and selecting the form you want to modify. Navigate to the Settings tab, located at the top center of the screen, and scroll down to the Responses section, which is situated above the Presentations option. Within this section, you'll find the sign-in option, which can be enabled or disabled. Disabling this feature allows anyone to fill out the form without needing to sign in. Once you've made this change, click on the button at the top right-hand side of the screen to obtain the form's link. You can then test the form by accessing it from a device where you're not signed into your Google account. The form should be accessible, and your responses will be recorded. By following these steps, you can create a Google form that doesn't require users to sign in, making it more accessible to everyone.